all are welcome to come and hear from the executive. Admission is free. So be sure to get yourself involved in two. And all of our vendors who support our track and field crew, tech crew, meet management, all of our meetings. Tristan Hanna, our new announcer. Woo! Let's continue to cheer on our under 20 men, 5,000 meters. They're at the top of the flag, 150-meter mark.
That's it there.
Are you ready for some excitement, the little darling? Looks like that was a clean jump over at the high jump area. If you just joined us here at the Thomas A. Robinson Stadium, you're here at the 30th annual Team Bird Open Division